What's up, Bennett?
I'm trying to find a way to help teachers and administrators improve the high school experience. If only there was a process. A human-centered, problem-solving process that saw students as the end user. Some way to understand, empathize, define, and ideate.
Do a design thinking workshop.
Who do we know that has experience leading and facilitating a design thinking workshop?
Teachers, administrators, and allies of the Department of Youth, listen up. For most of us, high school sucks, but it doesn't have to. Join a team of student design thinkers to rethink, retool, and reboot the high school experience. Learn how to create a learner experience that is relevant, meaningful, and authentic. One that prepares students for success in a rapidly changing world and inoculates them for obsolescence against robots. Work with us, people. Get ready to disrupt for good.